Hey, it's Gina from WTI. My husband and I did not know that we needed an air fryer until we got one, and now we cannot live without it. These are the reasons why we're so impressed with this air fryer. For one thing, it cooks things absolutely perfectly. My husband eats a ton of chicken and generally just cooks it until there's no life in it. It's dry and horrible. But this little guy with the preset chicken setting cooked up this chicken absolutely beautifully. It was still succulent and moist and just tasted wonderful. Another big plus for us is that it helps us be a little bit healthier. You can see that the oil when we cooked the chicken collected at the bottom of the pan, so we weren't ingesting it, but it still stayed moist. It makes me so happy that I can now make French fries at home that are crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle, and I can do that with a bare minimum of oil just so they don't stick together. We've fried tofu in it, we've made sweet potato and regular fries, of course the chicken. You can even bake cookies in this thing. There are so many ways to use it. I was worried it might be a little complicated because there's so many buttons, but actually it was a breeze to use and it was intuitive. I think the size on this Fabuletta is perfect for just me and my husband. It's 4 quarts. That way I don't have to take up a lot of space with a bigger machine. It just cooks the ideal amount for the two of us. Not to be too corny, but this Fabuletta is fabulosa. I couldn't be happier with this machine. It's beautiful, it fits in perfectly in our little home, and it cooks things to perfection. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.